What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Island Hopper TV, and today we are coming to you from Ipanema Beach in Rio de Janeiro. And we are going to walk around and explore this beautiful beach, which many would say is the #1 beach in all of Rio. I did another tour from Copacabana, and so this one is of Ipanema. It's been raining lately. It is the winter time here, so it's not exactly ideal, but the sun is out now, and it's a good time to do a walking tour. There's a little bit of clouds over there, over that mountain. It's not Sugarloaf. I don't know the name of that particular mountain, but it's really beautiful. That is actually where the favela Rosina is. Rosina. And if I actually turn around, that point right there is a really good place to get some pictures of Ipanema. And this whole boulevard is really good for just cruising. If you get a taxi ride, ask them to cruise this boulevard, which if you go this way, we keep going, we'll end up at Leblon. So this beach is actually said to be a little bit safer than Copacabana. And so far, I can see why they would make that assumption. It's a little bit less crowded at this moment. But the locals told me #1 is Barra Da Tijuca. Barra Da Tijuca. Barra Da Tijuca. They say it's the #1. That's what the locals will tell you. It's less touristy. That's where the locals hang out. And then I was told this one is basically #2. Followed by Leblon, and then #4 would be Copacabana, just because it's so famous, but a lot of the locals don't recommend it. Which I don't know if I'd recommend it either. Compared to this place, I'd say this one's a little bit better. Let's see, I'll go down here to the beach. I was avoiding the beach because this time around I actually brought my sneakers. I didn't bring my flip-flops. This beach was a lot more crowded on Friday and Saturday. And believe me, when I say crowded, it was crowded. So if you're looking for beaches and doing some research, oh man, Ipanema is a really good spot to land, but Barra Da Tijuca, check that one out. It's that way, which is, I think, south. It's south. probably about 20 minutes, but really only like 7 miles. But because you have to go through mountains and tunnels and roundabouts and all that, it takes a little bit longer. If I went that way, that would be a problem because ocean is coming up. So I will go back up onto the street here. It's a little bit breezy. Pretty relaxed, right? These are all just hotels along here, so if you're wondering why I'm not walking on that side of the road, it's because they're just hotels. No real party excitement. Oh, there's the sun. Gotta love when the sun makes a guest appearance. I'm not going to go all the way down to Leblon because the other side of this beach is called Leblon, where it starts to kind of curve a little bit towards that mountain. I mean, it looks like one big beach, but it's two beaches. Let us know in the comments where you guys are tuning in from. We always like to hear that information. There's a lot more action going on down here. Where I'm actually staying in my hotel is in between Copacabana and Ipanema, and I found that to be a really good location, which is behind me, which is kind of close to where I originally started, because I can go either to Ipanema or Copacabana. The hotel that I stayed at, in case you're wondering, is called, the one that I'm staying at is called Arenas. Hotel Arena. It's not going to break the bank. It's a nice little street right there. Going that way. And most of the restaurants, unless you're eating at one of these little cabanas, they're off the strip. Oh. This little bird. You guys see him? Cool looking little bird. This place looks a whole lot different when it's sunny. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like to walk up and down Ipanema Beach. I could keep on going all the way to Leblon, way down there, but I'm not going to. So we're just going to finish it here. Thanks to everyone who's been subscribing and watching these videos, and we will see you next time.